In H.K.Y's lecture, Secret of the Universe, hydrogen is the lightest of all elements. Hydrogen is highly flammable. If mismanaged, it explodes. The lightest and most explosive element is hydrogen. It is a miracle that it was made of all these. If you touch it lightly, it explodes. It is the lightest. Atoms must have electrons and move around freely. Beckgun created the principles of hydrogen and atoms. Archangels have tremendous wisdom. However, they can find out other people's bankbooks and passwords. Archangels have consciousness, knowing that you are greedy to kill others. The archangel speaks slightly differently. When you ask if you will pass the test, he says you will pass. That's how you should study. The archangel answers very wisely and tactfully. You should not use the archangel for useless things. You should not test the archangel. The archangel is a special gift I gave you for the building donation. You have to verify the Godman for everything to work. If you receive a blessing, the tomb will change. H.K.Y's blessing is a phenomenon that appears before your eyes. The virtual appears as reality. Dark matter appears as the real world. Dark matter appears as the real world, which is the blessing and the archangel. It is something that does not exist in other religions. It appears as an infinite miracle. Everything was created with this hydrogen, but it is something that humans cannot do. In order to store seawater, oxygen was put in, so the sea did not explode. When hydrogen meets oxygen, it is a couple. It is difficult for hydrogen and oxygen to live alone. In general, if a man lives alone, money does not accumulate. It is the same as the principle that water becomes water and flowers bloom when they meet. H20 must always be paired. Hydrogen is the lightest and does the most work. Dark matter is not hydrogen. It cannot be done because of the distance it travels. Even if there is dark matter, we know that it is 87%. There is full of matter, but there is no matter of time. There is substance in space, but it is empty. I couldn't find the rest. If you receive an archangel, you will receive tremendous benefits.